If you are watching this video, then you are definitely a fan of drawing, so in this video I will answer a question asked by many people interested in the art of drawing. This question is, does drawing require talent or can it be practiced in other ways? If you want to know the answer, watch the video and you will understand. In this video, I will draw a small wasp that can barely be seen. You'll be amazed at how many little details there are about this flying insect. It is certain that helicopters were designed based on the innovative design of this insect. I am Hassam. I will be your guide to learning drawing in the simplest ways. In this video, we will draw in a simple way that helps beginners practice drawing using ink and pencil. By redrawing with an ink pen after first identifying the shape to be drawn in pencil. This method will automatically make you able to draw easily, even if you do not have talent, because it trains the hand to control fine lines and draw directly without resorting to traditional methods in which distances and dimensions are determined. The whole idea is in practice. So apply this method and you will notice that your level rises faster than usual, and we will explain that in the video. You can copy the drawing outline from the original picture with pencil on tracing paper to train your hand to draw step by step. The purpose is to shade using only ink pen, but the outline can be drawn in any way possible. I will make a video that shows a very easy way to transfer any image onto drawing paper easily, which will help you practice without pressure. Just click like and subscribe to the channel to receive these videos. As you can see, it's easy because we first outlined the important lines in pencil and now we redraw them in ink. This method enables you time after time to know and determine the correct proportions between the parts of the drawing without resorting to traditional methods. Just from your personal artistic point of view. This method is also the closest and fastest way to train the hand to draw, so apply it and practice it and you will see the results for yourself. Even if you repeat the same drawing several times, you will be able to draw it without copying the last time, and the hand's memory will memorize the shape it drew on its own. And do not worry, talent does not matter, the only important thing is that you love drawing and nothing more. I think you now know the answer to the question, so enjoy watching the video and leave a like to encourage me to make other videos. If you have reached this point, you are one of the heroes interested in drawing, so do not hesitate to leave a like if you liked the video, and subscribe to the channel to follow the new videos. I will be happy to have you with me.